No electronics, no problem. This $20 3D printed robot walks with air. Scientists at the UC San Diego have just 3D printed something pretty incredible. A 6-legged walking robot that doesn't need electronics, wires or even complex assembly process. The robot is powered entirely by air. That's right, just soft flexible materials, a single 3D printed process and a cartridge of compressed gas. The result, a robot that can literally walk straight off the printer. Each leg has 4 degrees of freedom, coordinated by a clever Pneumatic circuit, kind of like a mini steam engine system. It moves in a smooth alternative rhythm, walking in a straight line for up to 3 days, as long as you keep the air flowing. And the price tag, just $20. That's less than a round of coffee, and this one doesn't even need charging. These air-powered bots are perfect for extreme environments like disaster zones or even space, place where electronics tend to struggle. The future, researchers are looking at adding grippers, using biodegradable materials and integrating gas storage directly into the robots. A simple design, a big step for robotics powered by nothing but air and innovation. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends of business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil for Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.